If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include fixes for known issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings and add Red Dead Redemption 2 as an exception, or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your experience and resolve the matchmaking error. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance. Happy gaming!